Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Allahumma shalli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammad. Good evening, everybody. Today we will continue our lesson about the structure of e-commerce. Today we know that COVID-19 have in Indonesia, and we get the effect from the COVID-19. We must learn with internet, and we learn with YouTube and another online media, and include with our condition right now. We also do the transaction buying online, auto transaction online by e-commerce. We know several e-commerce in Indonesia like Lazada and Blibli.com, Shopee, and etc. They are we call with the e-commerce. In communication revolution, we know that we start with by letter, telephone, television, and then right now we use with the internet great effect. And economy digital, we start with agriculture X, and then we do the industrial, and right now we in industri 5.0 Jadi industri 4.0, bahkan internet kita akan menuju to 5.10 or digital economic. All the economic will use the internet. What the definition of internet? Definition internet is one the network computer global connected with private and public to get the information with education institution, research institution, government institution, and business. Begin with commercial since 1995. In development with foundation with digital network economic. So in America, so many initiative to government domination in America new economics. Di negara lain, another country juga dikembangkan konsep internet ini. In internet, in several country, we know the user internet the biggest in New Zealand. In Indonesia still 3%. And activity, so many activity use internet for email. And then in the internet, for reading news, so many use with Indonesia, and use access at work, and then at cafe. And definition in business is business use technology information to development how organization do all the activity process with internet. A business is interaction business external dan memanfaatkan teknologi informasi. Different with e-commerce, e-commerce merujuk pada business transaction like sell and buying by electronic. In traditional business model, traditional model with sequential lacking, integrating, paper-based, costly, instead is time-driven, and etc. In business model, Ethernet business model continue integrated, allowing multiple participants with collaborate. Is information driven, leading to better efficient and cost saving. How to implementation cyclus technology in business. The first is technology used for process automatically, and then teknologi bisa mengembangkan komunikasi, and then peran teknologi sudah mempengaruhi perubahan model bisnis. This the aplikasi. Several application for a business. The first is ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. And then CRM, Customer Relation Management. And EIE, Enterprise Application Integrated. SCM, Supply Chain Management. SCC, Enterprise Collaboration System. There are several applications in a business. Why the business? Why a business? How can we exchange value to customer or business partner? And then how can we enter new market, product, service, attract attention, and reduce business risk? How can we increase revenue and profitability? How can we sustain and change competitive advantage? How we help overcome current business challenge, customer employment? How can we improve our integration performance? How can help talent cooperation? And definition of e-commerce in several definition and perspective. The first is communication, sending goods, services, information, paying by internet, by electronic. Seller, penyedia sarana, pembeli menjual informasi selalu internet, fasilitas lainnya. E-commerce distribution and generally can be meaning by process transaction, sell and buy by internet. Several support for e-commerce. The first is worldwide coverage, process past transaction. E-commerce can be push creativity for sale and so fast, and distribution information can be directly. E-commerce can be create efficiency, higher efficiency, cheap and informative. E-commerce can improve the loyal satisfaction customer, and faster services, easy and accurate. It is the same. You can read along. We continue with business to business. B2B. Business to business can be meaning by communication online for business to business, not consumer to business. We can use EOS, internal organization system. And then same. It is the B2C, business to consumer, the communication with seller and buyer. Another two, business communication, customer B2C can be mechanism like online electronic or shopping mall, like e-merchant is customer. it can be alone, yeah, let alone. Okay, you can read alone ya, the all the apa namanya, slide, several customer behavior ya, when he use e-commerce. The first is impulsive buyer. Consumer can if you consumer pas buying cenderung gagabah ya, he don't thinks large to consume the product. Fashion buyer consumer diteliti before they buy the product. Window shopper consumer sekedar browsing or surfing ya, menjelajahi internet but not do the decision buying. And then jenis-jenis konsumen kegiatan e-commerce, konsumen individual, customer can be more interest in media, konsumen organisasi, the consumer must do the business internet like the government, company, private reseller, and organization public. Okay, maybe only that can we explain the structure of e-commerce. Yeah, you can read alone if you don't understand. Thank you for attention and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to give the comment for this video.